Unlock the secrets to a smoother digital life by mastering how Dropbox manages your files. At its core, Dropbox is your personal cloud storage. Acting as a central hub for all your digital belongings, think of it as a super secure digital filing cabinet that you can access from anywhere when you install the Dropbox desktop app. It seamlessly integrates with your computer. Creating a special Dropbox folder, anything you place inside this folder is automatically uploaded to your Dropbox account in the cloud. This means no more scrambling to find that important document or worrying about losing your work if your computer crashes. The real magic lies in its synchronization capabilities. As soon as you save a file to your Dropbox folder on one device, Dropbox instantly updates it across all your other linked devices. Whether that's your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, this ensures you're always working with the most current version, eliminating the confusion of multiple file copies. Sharing made simple is another key Dropbox feature. Instead of attaching large files to emails, you can generate a shareable link for any file or folder. Simply right-click on the item in your Dropbox, choose Share, and copy the link. Anyone with the link can then view or download your files. No Dropbox account required on their end. You can even set permissions to control whether they can edit the files, too. Organizing your digital life is so much easier with Dropbox's powerful organizational features. You can create folders and subfolders just like on your computer to categorize your files by project, client, or any other system that works for you. This keeps your workspace tidy and makes finding what you need a breeze, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply want to keep your personal photos in order. Dropbox streamlines your workflow, saving you time and reducing digital clutter. From seamless cloud storage and automatic synchronization to effortless sharing and intuitive organization, Dropbox empowers you to manage your files like never before, making your digital life significantly more efficient.